Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to discuss how to delete the browsing history of your mobile. Sometimes anybody wants to delete his or her browsing history of their phones because of several reasons. So in that case, if you are not knowing, then this video is for you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe to this channel. So not wasting much of your time, go to the Chrome or any browser you are using, and then go to this setting directly, and then from setting you can go to the privacy and security, then clear browsing data. Here advanced and basics are there. Go to the basics, check the browsing history. This will create clear history including the search boxes also. All time, if you want to delete for last 7 days or last 24 hours or last 4 weeks, you can select from here. Suppose I want to delete last hour, then just clear data. Now the history has been deleted. So it is very simple. Just go to the browser you are using, go to the setting of that browser, then go to the privacy and security, clear browsing basics, and here you can delete. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.